Ever pondered over the journey of your favorite pizza slice once it disappears behind your lips? The human body is a marvel, and one of its most fascinating processes is digestion. So brace yourself for a thrilling ride through the human digestive system. The story begins at the mouth, where teeth grind food into smaller pieces, making it easier for your body to handle. Your saliva, a faithful sidekick, steps in to moisten the food and break down carbohydrates, transforming your pizza slice into a soft, easy-to-swallow ball of nutrients called a bolus. This bolus then takes a trip down the esophagus, a muscular tube that uses rhythmic waves, known as peristalsis, to propel the food towards the stomach. Imagine it as a fun slide at a water park, only this one's inside your body, and your food is the one having a blast. Next, the bolus arrives at the stomach, a muscular bag that acts like a mixer. Here, it gets a bath in stomach acid and enzymes that break it down further. The stomach's churning motion turns the bolus into a semi-liquid called chyme. Think of your stomach as a little chef, prepping the food for the next step. The chyme then enters the small intestine, a 20-foot-long coiled tube, where the real magic happens. With the help of enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver, it breaks down the chyme into its individual nutrients. These nutrients then get absorbed through the intestine's walls into the bloodstream, ready to fuel your body. Any undigested food, like fiber that your body can't break down, proceeds to the large intestine, or colon. The colon absorbs water and electrolytes from this waste material, transforming it into solid form. This solid waste is then stored in the rectum, the final stop before it exits the body through the anus. So, there you have it. From mouth to anus, your body works tirelessly to process the food you eat, extracting every bit of nutrition it can. To summarize, digestion involves several stages: ingestion, digestion in the mouth and stomach, absorption in the small intestine, water uptake in the large intestine, and finally, excretion. Remember, the next time you're relishing a slice of pizza, there's a whole team working behind the scenes, ensuring that your body gets all the nutrients it needs. Digestion might not be the most glamorous process, but it's certainly one of the most essential. So here's a toast to our amazing digestive system, the unsung hero that keeps us going day in and day out.